Pande-Soul. Iti ang awis ng Riza Shantilim, mikibandi king Orisa Garden of Wellness, king tinapeng mamye da kareng kayanakan na daranup ening panahon ng krisis.
We chose Pande-Soul kasi first, it has a spiritual touch to it because pan means bread and well, soul is soul. So it means bread for the soul.
Anang lim, maluwat da ng gagawa ng mamye food relief at sasawop kareng pakakalulu.
In kakong kumpanya, mamye kaming products, specifically food packages for relief goods. Even without the coronavirus, ining kakatamang current crisis, mamye kami talagang food packages to those who are less privileged.
Kambereng kaluguran na, maging inspirasyon de kanu itang Nutriban at tinapeng pamyena ng gobyerno anyang 70s. Minisip lang pamangan na masustansya, manyaman at mararagling apangan na abulyan darenganak.
So, sinabi ko kayong group chat may group chat kami last month ding kaluguran ko. Sabi ko, bisa kung mika makanini, mika food na pamye, na nutritious, kay but at the same time, ready to eat. Tsaka manyaman niya, banta, elasasawang kakanande ing bread.
Reng grupo darilim na awsandang Orisa and Friends, may gumpisala pa mong mamye tinape anyang May 25. Reng karelang mumunang target beneficiaries, reng darano pa kayanakan ang pong mga atwa, kareng ni Ayaluwang Foundation.
Then beneficiary ning dininan napon, kaya kaming, it's not really the big launching yet. It's like it's our initiative during this pandemic crisis. Is Tuloy Foundation of Pampanga, and the other one is the Bale-Balayan of Mr. Peter De Vera. So, the target ni talaga ring foundation specifically for children, and then the foundation for the old age, and then communities, no? Kasi dakal malnourished children, especially in elementary schools.
Agkatanong limreng bisang makyabe king karelang proyekto na makipag-coordinate king karelang kumpanya.
Karen pong bisang makyabe, king kaya kaming project na we call it Orisa and Friends. You can go to our Facebook account, the Orisa Garden of Wellness. You can also contact us through Globe Mobile at 0917-843-6043.
Mark Canlas, CLTV News.